What's up, people? We're back to work, and yeah. So what are we doing today? If you actually go to articles, I had just released the Caesar Cipher Codex article. So this article is literally the entire structure and implementation are for the Caesar Cipher within the Codex Project. So this was the first 3 streams, right? This basically, I guess, includes, the first cyberlog where we implemented the Caesar Cipher, but it literally teaches you everything that I'm kind of my understanding of all this stuff and kind of how I implemented it into the code. It covers how the Caesar Cipher works, the algorithms behind it, how to implement it in Python for encryption, the brute forcing process, implementation, and of course it links to the code, which is on GitHub. So last stream, we finished implementing the Visionaire Cipher. All right, so I think I might tackle reverse. I think it's just going to be an easy one. We can kind of just get out the way. Reverse cipher should be pretty simple. So it basically just reverses the text, right? I know, like if you take it as a string and do like string indexing to reverse the string, right? It's like ::(-1) to reverse it. Or you can do a dot reverse method, but I don't know if the dot reverse method is specific to like data structures like lists, or if it's also specific to strings. But I'm too lazy to Google it, so we will kind of just struggle and figure it out. That's how we roll here. So yeah, we finished Visionaire Cipher. I guess we should do a little bit of testing, making sure that this thing didn't just die on us. You know what? We tested it last video. We're not going to test it this video. Y'all can just check out the previous stream, scroll through the 2 hours of footage, and hopefully find it. All right, so let's start the new one. Let's do our reverse cipher.py. This is the reverse cipher package. So in the main.py, we can do elif ciphering option is equal to. So I guess tech R should be for reverse. So we can do os.system. Then our f string of Python 3./ciphers, and then our reverse cipher.py, and then our string args. Oh, that's awesome. And here, if we just, I don't know, print banner. So I guess we can use the main actually, so we can see the edit here. If we do a Python 3 main.py and then do a tech R, if we run this, oh, let's go. Look at that implementation. Look how quick that was. We already got the reverse cipher imported to our main.py. So now we can just throw the parser in here and then throw the CLI in here and then just do implementation. Look how easy that is. Alright hackers, so let's check out some of the cool stuff that you guys have been putting in the self-promo section of the Discord server. If you want to join the Discord server, it will be linked in the description as always, so you guys can join that. But let's go ahead and check out some of the cool stuff you guys have been throwing on there. Alright, yeah, so we'll have to start planning out the help menu. So with the reverse, we don't need a key. I guess it's time to actually start working on our actual process to encrypt. I guess I don't really need to explain how the reverse cipher works, so let's quickly say it. It takes plain text, normal, and then it reverses it. There you go. You guys are all caught up. Thank you for that. I was so lost. Oh, no problem, man. I'm glad I can catch you up to speed. So I'm trying to stay consistent with my code, which is rare. I know it's very rare. So it's time to whip out this thing, Python 3. So we'll make a string. We'll say hello world. So do strings have the dot reverse, or is that for lists? Okay, well maybe you should spell reverse correctly. String object has no attribute reverse. All right, so we can just do s, then the ::(-1, and yeah, there you go. Sweet. This is such like a beautified version of the ::(-1. All right, so we're going to take our plain content. So I guess we can just say output is equal to the plain content, and then ::-1. Oh, you know what we could do? Because if you reverse it, right? We'll just say n for new. So if n is equal to s, and then that's ::-1, right? So n is equal to the reverse version. If we just do n ::-1, it just reverses it. So we'll just have this. Sorry, I need to turn. Motzi pledged $10. Thank you, Motzi. Look at you, getting all that exclusive content. We don't need attack E or attack D. I mean, I can if I want to, but at the end of the day, honestly, we can just make the argument. Well, if it's already tech R, it will just automatically just take whatever input and reverse it. So instead of checking, we just reverse the content. So we have almost everything done. The only thing is, well, the ciphering process, we're not gonna have one because there is no ciphering process. You're just reversing the string. So this should be it. So if we Python 3 our main.py, then do attack R, and then attack T, hello. Interesting. Oh, it's because it's checking, yeah, it's checking from index 2. We need to check from index 1. So let's try this. There you go. So can we echo hello world to a file? We'll just call it file.txt. All right. So if we do attack I for the file, which will be file.txt. What? What's this? Do you guys, what? Why did it do that? Is that in the file? Where on earth did we set up the attack I? So the attack I in arguments, we get our inputted content. So we're basically resetting this variable that gets the text input, and we're getting arguments that open, and we're getting the attack I in read mode, and we're reading it. So print the inputted content. Okay, but why are these spaces here? Why is this at the beginning of our file? So when we read our file.txt right here, we're just getting Old Norse, apparently. What if we change our file? So is that like hello world, or can we do like subscribe to Cosmodium CS? And then I just want to see if there's like different Norse characters depending on the file. Okay, so it seems like there's going to be the weird characters, and then it's going to add as like a space in between each character. You know what we could try doing? Inputted content will equal inputted. This is such lousy coding. Like, don't do what I'm about to do. From index position 1 down in areas of 2. Is that right? Maybe it's like 2 too. This might not work. I could just be doing. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Held together by hope, dreams, and duct tape. That's literally like my life, man. I guess it works, so I should just let it be. Can we have this be outputted to a file? Can we just do a dot? So attack out to out.txt. So if we check out our out.txt, all right, so it doesn't do the out. Does it not reverse it again? Or like, why is our out.txt still reversed? Oh, because that's what we're, oh my gosh, I'm dumb. Ignore me, ignore me, ignore me. It's working. I was just tripping. So we finished it. Oh no, wait. We're not done. We're not done. We forgot something, people. For those who don't understand how to turn the string around, we got to do the reverse cipher help menu, right? And then, yeah, so attack T, attack I, and attack O. So we can do attack R equals reverse. Found not found. Oh, it's because we deleted it. Oh, okay. Oh, we should probably incorporate that. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's open up the Visionaire cipher, reverse cipher, and Caesar cipher. Sweet. We'll start from the Caesar cipher. We're basically just going to try this, and then if we get that error, then whatever. So if it equals this, we're going to try. We'll say accept, and then what's called file not found error. Then we can just say print the attached file does not exist. So if we were to do the tech I, the attached file does not exist. Awesome. So if we go and close this, if we go on the Codex Project, add a reverse cipher. There you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. Hopefully it was something a little bit more enjoyable. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, share the video, and all those types of YouTube algorithm things. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So stay happy, stay positive, and as always, happy hacking.